Alright. Let's check this heater. I wanna know where love is. I need you to show me. Spider webs on me. Okay. Alright. Alright. First things first. Let's check this filter. 4-inch 20 by 25 filter. Alright, so it's dirty, but these are special MERV filters, so they're gonna have to request. You have to order a new one. 20 by 25. It's not like filthy. It definitely has a little bit more life left into it, but they definitely should order a new one. I'll let them know. For some reason, that's how it was. I'm sure it's not a 25 from the looks of it. They need a 20 by. They probably need a 20 by 20. It should be a 20 by 25, but they need a 20 by 24 because you see it's just poking out right here. Be like on my inch and it's not going there. Oh, never mind. I lied. There you go. Wherever this door. Door right here. Yep. See? I'm here to save the day, dude. I'm always here to save the day. See how to put this in though. Without JB, your heater goes crazy. Let me flip it around. Get this screw in here. Come on. There we go. Alright. Now, let's check. Start checking some stuff. Circuit board is dirty. It's probably because they have this little compartment open. I was bringing in all that dirt from the garage. All right, I'm gonna check the. Check the flame sensor rod. I'm gonna check this capacitor. I mean, you guys can see that clear as day. We need a cleaning on that. It's pretty corroded. Alright, so I'll leave that there. I'll put in a request for that. Let me check the capacitor real quick. This is a 15. So we're getting 13. out of 15. Yeah, we're gonna need to replace this one. Probably still has a little bit of juice in it, but we need to replace this one. Check some other stuff. Well, let me put in a request. Let me check some other stuff real quick. Make sure inducer motor is spinning properly. Alright, inducer motor is spinning freely. Pressure switches. I don't see any gunk in there. So we have high limit switches in there. I'll check the continuity against those. And check all the limit switches. Unplug them. I just need a little bit. Alright, that one's good. That one's good. That one's good. Touch you. That one's good. That one's good. That get all of them? Yeah. Alright, got all the limit switches. Those are good. Okay. I'm gonna put in a request to clean this flame sensor rod or change it out. And then this capacitor as well. Alright, let's change this capacitor. Got the approval. Clean this flame sensor. No, this tool is kind of difficult. This is like my second time using it. This is a flame sensor cleaner. Alright. We got that guy back. Nice and silver. Go ahead and put this back. Make sure I wipe it clean. All right. Now, let's go turn this heater on. Check amps and everything. Put this right here. Oh, I gotta put this door back on. Let me make sure that's. I don't think that was in the hole. Yeah. There we go. Now it's in the hole. Hey, bud.
How's it going?
Good. I'm just testing the heater out now. Alright, gotta get back. You're not getting outside this time. And dogs. Alright. Heater fired up. Yep. Perfect. Let's take some amps. An inducer. Voltage. Alright, getting the correct voltage on the inducer. And correct voltage on the pressure switch. Supply vent right here. Let's get the supply return temp. It's about 30-degree split. looks good to me. Looks good to me. Looks excellent. Alright, let's turn this on. Bag. All right, let me turn off this. Get the AC. We got another heater up and running. The main gist of today, or this call, they were saying they were turning on the heater, but they didn't see any flames or even hear the heater turning on. So I came out. First thing I always check is the flame sensor. Flame sensor was super corroded. You guys saw how corroded it was. If you're new to the HVAC industry, when a flame sensor is corroded, it's not going to send a signal down to the circuit board. So it's not going to go to the next stage to turn on that heater. So when we clean the flame sensor, you know, tested and changed out the capacitor, we went ahead, tested the heater. Heater stayed on. We had a good 30-degree split. Unit is up and running. Hey, appreciate you guys. Like I always say, if you're new to the BHVAC community, make sure you like and subscribe. I definitely appreciate all the support, you guys. I'm going to get videos out every single day. Stay tuned. We lit. Peace out.